being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live.
So it's me, Kiana, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be a cooking with Key. Before you get into the video, I need you to make sure you like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'm going to just do like a whole segment of me cooking or trying to attempt to make some vegan meals that I've kind of seen on the internet or just recipes that I've tried. So the first recipe I'm about to make is alright, so what you're going to need is 2 cans of chickpeas, or you can use more, I just started little. Some Veganese, I got that from Whole Foods. Some green and red peppers. Simple as that, nothing to it. Alright, we also need a bowl, so you can put all this little concoction together. So now, alright, so all you do is just mash up them chickpeas, mash it up real quick, and until it just gets really flat and you don't see any, like, the chickpeas. Alright, so now you're going to get some Veganese. I got that from Whole Foods. And you just use 2 tablespoons of that. And yeah, you just mix it up. Simple as that.
On one hand, I am super excited that his parents did accept me and give me their blessing. But now, on the other hand,
Alright, so you're going to add those green peppers and those red peppers. And just add it to the tuna. And you just mix them in. Mix it up. And you good. Don't forget to, like, after I mixed it up, I basically seasoned it. I add some smoked paprika, some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, or you do some Lawrys Seasoning. Basic shit. So all you gotta do is pop this in the fridge, let it get cold, and eat it with some crackers. You could put it in a wrap. That's what I'm probably gonna do for dinner. And yeah, that's your vegan tuna. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you want more cooking videos, if you want me to try to like veganize something, just let me know. Peace out.